Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com. In this quick video, I want to show you a really cool feature in Photoshop that a lot of people typically overlook, and it can be really powerful if you like the look of other certain photos that you might see online. It's a great way to quickly kind of adopt those colors into your images. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I have this cool cool image here with the mountain in the background, the pagoda here, and I want it to actually have the same look as this image. So all of you can see we have kind of like a greenish tone, really warm yellows and stuff, and I want it to have the same type of tonal range as this image does. And all I really want to do is have that overlaid on top of this image. So there's a really quick and easy way to do this, but before we even try any adjustments or anything, I'm going to actually unlock this and make a duplicate so I can bring the other one back if needed. I have a backup, so I'm going to just hide this one here. And what I'm going to do is go up to Image, Adjustments, and Match Color. And so what I'm going to do here is I have a couple different options here, but the source, you can see right down here at the bottom, the source, I actually want it to be this image up here, and that one's called Cars on Road Between High-Rise Buildings. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to automatically apply the kind of tonal ranges that are in the other image on top of this one. So to finesse it a little bit, what we can do is kind of brighten it up a little bit with the luminosity right there. We can intensify the colors if we wanted to. I'm going to keep it right around 135, and then we can actually fade, and what fade's going to do is actually bring in some of the original image. So I'm going to fade that in just a little bit. Let me go back a little bit more. So roughly around there. So you can see the before and after here. Here's was just our plain regular image, and we applied those tonal ranges to here. And so I'm just going to click OK, and now you can again see the before and after. Here's the before, here's the after. And the reason I make that duplicate, not only if this one kind of messes up and I want to go back and forth, what I can do is actually take the opacity of this one and just kind of further it in a little bit more, and maybe come up with a better adjustment to it. So even if I wanted to make a layer mask and paint in some of the original colors, I could. It's just a way of doing a quick backup. But that's a really quick and easy way of doing a color match or match color on the images that you find online, and you kind of want to apply them to your images. What I typically do is if I find an image I like online, I will actually save that into a folder, and if I want to play with some color tones and stuff, I can actually pull that from my inspiration folder and put it on my images, and that's kind of my workaround. So thank you guys for joining me in this quick Photoshop tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.